Ever wondered how tall trees manage to transport water from their roots deep underground all the way up to their highest leaves? It's a fascinating process called the ascent of sap, and it's an essential part of how plants grow and thrive. The ascent of sap is a gravity-defying phenomenon that involves the movement of water and nutrients from the roots of a plant to its upper parts. But how does this happen? The answer lies in a combination of physical and biological processes. To begin with, the roots of a plant absorb water and minerals from the soil. This process is called absorption. The roots have tiny hair-like extensions called root hairs, which increase the surface area for absorption. These root hairs are in constant contact with the soil particles, allowing them to take in water and nutrients. Next comes the step of transportation. This is where the real magic happens. The water and minerals absorbed by the roots are then transported upwards through specialized tubes in the plant called xylem vessels. But how does water move upwards against gravity? It's all thanks to a phenomenon known as capillary action. Capillary action is the ability of a liquid to flow in narrow spaces without the assistance of, or even in opposition to, external forces like gravity. But capillary action alone isn't enough to explain the ascent of sap in tall trees. This is where the concept of transpiration pull comes into play. Transpiration is the process of water movement through a plant and its evaporation from aerial parts, such as leaves, stems, and flowers. When water evaporates from the leaves, it creates a kind of suction which pulls up more water from the roots. So, you see, the ascent of sap is a continuous process, a beautiful interplay of physics and biology. The water is absorbed by the roots, transported through the xylem vessels, and then evaporates from the leaves, creating a pull that brings more water up from the roots. To summarize, the ascent of sap involves three main steps: absorption, transportation, and transpiration. Absorption takes place in the roots where water and nutrients are taken in from the soil. Transportation happens in the xylem vessels, with the help of capillary action. And finally, transpiration happens in the leaves, creating a pull that helps in the upward movement of water. So, next time you look at a tall tree, remember the remarkable process that's happening inside. From root to leaf, every part of the plant is working in harmony to ensure the ascent of sap, making life possible, one drop at a time. It's a testament to the incredible intricacy and efficiency of nature.